No, see, we're still talking about inverse estuaries. This is the Persian Gulf. Okay? It is similar to Spencer Gulf. It's about 5 times the size horizontally. Okay, has a length of about 1,000 kilometers. But it's also very shallow. It's only 20 to 40 meters, and the deepest parts are something like 70, 80 meters here in the Strait of Hormuz. Without going too much into the details, I just want to show you the salinity distributions. This is reconstructed using a computer model. You reconstruct and you look at the horizontal distributions at depth and at the surface. Just look at the surface distribution on the right. Here we are. Okay, let's have a look at the units. Here, 50 salinity units you find in the dark red areas. There is no dark red area here, but sort of 45. Dark red and blue corresponds to salinities much closer to ocean salinity. Okay, 37, something like that, 36. So what happens here? Also little arrows indicate the flow direction, but what happens here, you can see the outflow of hypersaline water near the bottom through the Strait of Hormuz, and it happens on the southern side of the Strait of Hormuz, and this is because of the Coriolis force in the northern hemisphere. Look at the surface distribution. You can see an inflow of low salinity water moving all through the Persian Gulf on the northern side because of the Coriolis force. Okay, and if you're surprised that you can also see some other feature here, you can see something here, low salinity water. These are actually rivers. This is river plumes that move along the other bank. Okay, you have also river plumes in the Persian. This is a classical example of the circulation in larger inverse estuaries. All right, and now we come to the promised salt plug estuary. Salt plug estuary. And we are in the beautiful Van Diemen Gulf and the Alligator River. I think there are actually 2 alligator rivers. And there are actually stories of crocs swimming from one into the other alligator river. You have to be really careful up here. Okay? So you see the bathymetry on the left side in this sketch. Okay, so where are we? We are in the northeastern part or northeastern part of North Australia, Van Diemen Gulf, and a connection to the Arafura Sea, this beautiful Melville Island. Okay, and then we have something which is called the Van Diemen Gulf, and then the river. And we have measurements of salinity and temperatures as well, but salinity is more the key feature here at different stations called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, and let's have a look at the TS structures at these stations. You start at station 1. Salinity relatively low, see on the left side. Station 2, salinity is higher. Station 3, salinity is the highest. And then you come to 4, and the salinity decreases again. 5, lower. Okay. Also, the temperature changes. Okay, but the temperature change does not change the density that much in this example. Anyway, so it's really the salinity that we focus on. And station 3 is here. This is where the salt plug is. Okay, it's a salt plug between lower salinity water on one side and higher in both sides. Gosh. Okay, so this is an example of a salt plug estuary, and there are not many around. This is a rare type of estuary, a really rare type.